Hey y'all, welcome back. My girl looking for her car. We out here in the streets again. Always me when people looking for a car. Anyway, but she's test driving a Honda CRV, a hybrid. What do you think so far, Tawana?
I like it.
It's smooth and quiet.
It's not all. I'm used to when you crank up, no, it's quiet. It's already on.
Kim.
Oh, it's very nice.
Oh no.
Rating is nice.
You like it? Ooh, them people come out on you. They don't care nothing about you.
I do.
I'm talking about them. They're like they don't care about themselves.
They close on right there.
What?
Fridays.
Oh, TGI Fridays closed? Oh, yeah. Oh, that was Chili's that I like. Their vegan enchiladas. Now, look, I was kind of disappointed till I realized it was Chili's. She said she don't want no HRV. She wants her a CRV. She want a big body.
Because I know I'd like to do a lot of shopping. And
Okay, Grandma.
So I don't have to. Mom, can we go here? So I can put my own here.
It's exciting.
The passenger places.
Yes, I love to be the passenger. Love it. Let me show y'all some of the interior. It has Apple CarPlay like everything else. Remote start, keyless. I got on my Crocs. There's a lot of room back there too. She said she didn't want no 3 rows.
I like when I had turned my thing on, I can see how far you are, and I can see like, okay, I got room. Personally.
Make a right turn, sit on right, see if it get up.
Yes, ma'am. I did these two just to see.
Yeah, nothing came up. Yeah, we floating. 52, it's 40.
It's 45.
It ain't 52. It do pick up good though.
I get with y'all. So what's the speed limit? How? Y'all not trying.
So we buying. Look, we finna get ready to get in the car again. I don't know if she ready yet, but we just test driving. I don't want her to feel like she got to rush. Look, we in the car season.
It's 40.
Huh?
Going 40, ladies.
It feels good. The air is real good.
I'm just trying to,
What is this? Let's see what this is. No, ain't nothing happening. Oh, it's the vents. It's just moving the vents to open and close them.
fancy.
Yeah, that's what that is.
It's smooth.
Yeah, it is.
This is nice.
Yeah, it is. Real
I know how
smooth.
quiet it is.
Let me tell you, I'm ready to flow it. I hear it.
I'm just trying to see. I know if it won't even take on me.
It's gonna be what?
Nothing.
I'm like, what you saying over there? Wow. You always say that, but yeah, you be like, ain't you gonna record?
Somebody's in your blind spot if you try to change lanes. So that's what they're going to on everything now. It's just your blind spot.
Yeah, we looking at the used cars. They got Toyotas. They got HRV right there. What?
Is your car blue and black?
What, that one? That's a 2021.
It's 21 though. It doesn't have a sunroof.
It's pretty.
Now I only use it like, I know we can't do it. What? Only one door? It's 2 doors. It's 4 doors.
It's 4 doors. No, it's 4 doors. It just looked like that. Oh, it's up here like this. CarMax in there. That's all. Y'all, we at CarMax now. Y'all, now Karen wanted to look at cars. You buying a car, Karen?
No, I don't want to be on camera.
You're not on camera. What are you talking about?
Oh, no. I won't buy that.
Oh, that's 100. Oh, wow. On the 2020, what they be doing with these cars? 111,000 miles on a 2020 Honda Accord. And then they want 24,000. Well, 25. That's a lot. 100,000. What are you driving the cars at? I don't like that. No. I don't like red. You know I don't like no red car. What is that? Let me see. She always want to try to get somebody over here in the Mercedes world. I like the coupes.
Oh, yeah.
I be liking coupes and stuff.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
This is nice. I don't like red cars anymore. Yeah, it looks good.
Oh no, it's so space.
What is this? Oh, for the phone.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, move the dial.
The touchpad, yeah. This is the phone, I think.
That's how the BMW is.
It's red.
But I don't want the color. I don't like the color. Look at this. She trying to give me a hard time. This is nice, but I don't want this color. This is almost a red. It's not. It's a red, but it's like a brick color.
Oh, this one has a building warranty on it.
Let me see. It's 41. It's 34,000 miles on it. And what is this? Oh, an X6. Let's be clear. I like the body style, not the color. Oh, look at this Jaguar. They got a Jaguar here, y'all, too. Let me show y'all.
Get out the way.
Oh, look, they got them,
The red Calvin.
yeah. I ain't never even paid that no attention ever. Till Rebecca told me about
I
them.
always look at them. I like them.
They expensive too. They got no price. Let me see the price of this. This is, I can't even see it.
Open the door.
Hold up. It has a dealer thing on. I don't see the price on it. It's nice. It's nice.
It's 56.
It's nice. Oh, look.
It's like a, what is it called when it goes on?
Panoramic.
Panoramic. That's the word I'm looking
It's
for.
nice.
Panoramic roof.
Yeah.
Can y'all see me in this? It's hot. It's hot out here.
Oh, yeah.
It's spacious, isn't it? Yeah. The back is spacious. It's nice. So this is it, the Jaguar. F-Face. Nice. All right, this is the HRV. She wanted to test drive an HRV. This is a 2019, 23,990. Well, 31,000 miles ain't bad either. This is cured. I do like them the black rims. I do too. Let's get in it, y'all. What y'all think about this?
I'm spoiled with the push start. But I'll drive it and see.
You like what you like, girl.
Look at that Mercedes over there, honey. Right.
That white one. Mm-hmm. That's nice.
That mean they done dogged it out, though.
It look like it's bow-legged. You know what I'm saying? Wide legs.
Sexy.
Mm-hmm. Like a bow-legged man.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. this. What is that?
AMG boo.
It's nice.
Oh.
Oh, it's low. But it's not low like, it's nice. Look at the screen. This whole thing is the screen. This thing nice. This thing nice. I like it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sunroof.
You gotta roll out of them knees and get up.
Oh, this is a small back seat. You see, y'all. This is pretty. I like the way they updated their tags too.
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid.
Come on, this thing.
Oh, 14,000 miles?
Open it up, look.
Oh, it's real nice. See how I feel to sit in. Sit in it. It doesn't feel low.
Girl, it's like peanut butter, honey.
Does it feel low? It's like you sit in and you up. You're not like down. Like, that's my thing with a car. You be so far down, but this one don't feel like.
Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this a lot.
A whole lot can.
This right here, I think the peanut butter got me.
It's real nice.
That one's 37, but there's no way. This one is like really nice.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Another Lexus, 2020. What is it? Oh, ES350. What was that one?
A hybrid is.
Oh, a hybrid ES300.
Oh, it's 300.
And it looks good, the seats. And you up, you're not down. I feel like my head almost up to the ceiling now. It's nice. Yeah, look at that. Got Lexus on the door. No, hybrid. That's hybrid on the door. It has hybrid on the door. Girl, look at this. 82,000. What is this? 430i. Look at the Cadillac. Look at the caddy. They did. 85,000 miles? And how much they want for it?
24.
Look at it, y'all. Here come my Porsche.
It's real low.
I don't like low cars now, because I got to get up. This is 2013. How many miles? 38,000. It's not that low. It's not. The driver's not. What is it, CX-5? How many miles on it? 74,000? Yeah, CX-5. Yeah, that's all she want to see is this.
Girl, this thing is $91,000.
What? I don't know if y'all can see it. This thing is $91,998. And it got 17,000 miles on it. 2021 Cadillac Escalade. Child. So y'all can see it. As I step in. It's nice.
Yes, sir.
That's why they be driving like they maniacs on the road.
Look at that.
Oh.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
91K?
This is a house. Hey, any of y'all buying cars that's 91,000? Let me know in the comments. This is a house.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what. You got cool in it.
Nothing in there.
I don't see nothing on that now. It would seem like at this price right here, we would have the.
Huh? 2021 for $49,998. A Grand Jeep L Overland. A Grand Cherokee L Overland. 39,000 miles.
Oh, that's why it look like a bus.
Huh?
You got the third row, that's why it look like a bus. It's nice, but I don't like Jeeps like that.
It's cute. Third row. Oh, we got the captain seat. In the cabin.
Prince of an umbrella for you. She really said she grow up poor like me. Don't believe in nothing but the almighty. Just a little Jason.